Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. New week, new opportunities. Monday morning. Hope you had a great weekend. Because prepare yourself. We have a very, very good economic events this week. So I highly believe we're gonna see very good opportunities. So as usual, we start with quick recap about the economic calendar. Monday is gonna be a little bit slow day. German IFO Business Climate Index, 9 a.m. GMT. Not a very important event for the euro, but the euro is going to be a little bit more volatile than usual. Tuesday, consumer confidence in US with new home sales, 3 p.m. GMT. This is the only events for Tuesday. Wednesday, we have MPC Treasury Committee hearings. For sure, this is going to be volatile for the Great British Pound. It's going to be very interesting. So we're going to take a look at the technical perspective of the Great British Pound in about a couple of minutes. Core durable goods orders, GDP pending home sales, they all for the US dollar, crude oil inventories. 3:30 GMT as every Wednesday. Thursday is going to be low volatility day, Thanksgiving Day in United States, and Friday again we have a Thanksgiving Day with early close of the New York Stock Exchange, 1 p.m. GMT. So it's gonna be a very, very good for sure week. As usual, we start with Euro US dollar. As you can see in front of you, quite predictable drop of the Euro US dollar out of the resistance, bounced back 1.1072. We see momentum and a very strong downtrend. So the euro went down with about 60 pips. Right now staying on the support level 1.1026. So we definitely can see continuation to the downside with slight recovery before that. So it could be a good opportunity for a short. But you know my opinion about the euro. I am not trading euro. I'm not a big fan. GBP US, a predictable drop, 90 pips. If you guys shorted this, you could have made a lot of money, obviously. But just bear in mind that right now we are staying almost in the middle of the range between the resistance and the support. 1.30 resistance, 1.2782 as our support. I'm gonna keep these levels and I'm gonna looking for a short of the breakout or long of the breakout of the resistance. GBP is going to be very potential trade very, very soon. Australian US dollar, what is going on? Slight drop, bounced from the resistance 0.6829, and if we see breakout of the support, we can see continuation to 0.67 round number support. I'm gonna wait for it for now, and I would actually switch this resistance into a new resistance level here, 0.68 round number, test it here and test it here and also here 3 times. Strong resistance. The price is fluctuating around this resistance level, but I think it's a very strong one in order to push the price going down. New Zealand US, it's linked with the drop a little bit. Tested the resistance here. We saw a strong drop to the downside, 40-45 pips during this is Thursday, I believe, and we can see a slight recovery to the downside, and we can see drop to the downside in order to test the next support 0.6348. As you can see, it's struggling to break higher here, which is not impossible, of course, in the next couple of days to see breakout of the resistance and continuation. But for now, the resistance is holding, so it's a very strong resistance level around these two, 0.6451 and 0.6436. So our resistance zone for now is holding. USD Canadian. So what's going on? Let's take a look quickly at the crude oil first to see. So crude oil is heading up, trying to break out 58.82, our resistance level here as it was tested before that. Slight drop to the downside and continuation. We see this recoveries on the crude oils 3 times already. So we have predicted this upward momentum to almost $4 for 2 days. It's definitely, I would consider this as a big movement. So I'm not going to be surprised if we see slight drop to the downside and then continuation and breakout of 58.82, our resistance. As you know, our long-term forecast since the last couple of weeks is between 60 and 62, $63 up for the crude oil. So if we see the crude oil going up, Canadian dollar in terms of trend should follow. So USD Canadian we could see on the USD Canadian a strong drop to the downside. So what is it? What is going on right now with USD CAD? So definitely not following the crude oil. It's going in its direction. Simply means Canadian is against the crude oil right now, but this is what actually is indicating further drop to the downside. This upward I would not consider even as a trend, but this upward movement is simply caused by the strength of the US dollar since the last couple of weeks. It's not because of the weakness of the Canadian dollar. So exactly because of this, any moment when we see weakness of the US dollar, we can see strong drop to the downside in order to use the CAD to test 1.32. Our round number and very significant support. Until then, we have to wait for 1.3278 to be broken, and then continuation to the downside. I'm totally short of USD Canadian. I'm not gonna take any long positions for now. USD Swiss again heading to test 1.0, staying exactly on resistance level. As you can see here, I would even change this round number into a new resistance level here. As you can see, it was tested a couple of times here, and I would say even almost here. 0.9976 resistance zone we have between 1.0 parity level round number and significant resistance, and 0.9979. So from here we can see a drop. The price is going in a very clear range, as you can see, and definitely we can see USD Swiss franc testing the support 0.9842. It's a matter of time to see what's gonna happen with the US dollar Swiss. USD Japanese, I'm not taking any long trades for still on the USD Japanese yen. I think we can consider this uptrend as confirmed once we break out 109.28. Until then, I'm gonna looking for short opportunities. Dow Jones currently and Nikkei, the Japanese index, are going up, creating new highs, all-time highs. So simply that's what's pushing USD Japanese going up. But since we've been expecting a strong drop of the Dow Jones, this is actually gonna give a direction of the USD Japanese to the downside. So for now, I think buying trades on USD Japanese yen currency pair are very dangerous. So this is for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, comments below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us, of course, on the social medias to help other people on the financial markets. If you have any questions, you know how to get back to me. And of course, have a very profitable week. Enjoy it. Bye bye.